Hi, welcome to online tutorial video from JCVRO Labs. This tutorial is based on how to read data serially from ESP32 by UART and display this data on 16x2 LCD. So we also provide online training and do industrial and freelancing project based on embedded system, Android app development, Matlab, LabVIEW. If you have any requirement, then you can contact us through our website www.jcvrolabs.org, or you can mail us at info@jcvrolabs.org. So here we learn programming through ESP-IDF because we are not using Arduino IDE. Here we use ESP-IDF through VS Code programming. So let's start. You can see here this is ESP32 and this is 16 cos to LCD. Now it is already connected here, this interconnect, and if you are not watch my previous video how to interface 16 cross 2 LCD with ESP32, so you can visit our video and go through it. You can easily understand how to interface 16 cross 2 LCD through ESP32. So I am just considering that you should already watch my ESP32 with interfacing ES 16 cross 2. So I will take lcd.h header file. So let's start programming. Now I am going to my directory where I created my project. Here this is my directory folders, and now I am going to create a new folder, name it as UART underscore read. This is my project name, UART underscore read. And now I am going to in folder blink and copy these all files and paste it UART underscore blink read. Okay, delete this build folder. Okay, now rename it. It is by mistake. This is not REAT read. Okay, now go to your CMake list and give the name project name UART underscore read. Okay, save it, close this, and go to main and delete this file blink. Okay, create new text file here, and now save it as save as UART underscore t dot c. It will save as a source file. Okay, UART underscore t, and now delete this text document file. Now I'm going to include my LCD header files. So Control C and paste in UART read here, Control V. Okay, now edit this CMake lists as a because my .c file name is UART underscore t dot c, and save it. Close this folder. Okay, close this, and now open your VS Code. Now go in open folder and your project directory, and select UART read your project name and select folder. Here it will open here. Okay, and go in UART underscore t dot c here. Now start your programming. Now define the buffer size. I am creating a task for UART. Now static void UART task function. Now configure UART. Now defining baud rate is 152.00, and now data bits UART eight bits. I am transferring or receiving 8-bit data bits. Now third is parity. Now disable parity. So UART underscore parity disable, and other is stop bit. UART underscore stop UART underscore 1 and dot flow control is equal to UART underscore HW flow control disable. Now install the drivers according to UART. So UART underscore driver install and pass the parameter UART underscore num underscore 0, because we are taking UART number 0 because the ESP32 have 3 UART: UART 0, UART 1, UART 2. Now I am considering UART num 0 because it is internally connected to pin number uh, 1 and 3. TX is 1 and RX is 3. So now second parameter is buffer size. So buffer size double, and third parameter 0 0 4, and next is null. Now configure UART parameter. So it is a built-in function UART underscore param underscore config. So pass this UART underscore num 0 and address of UART underscore config. Okay, now set the UART pin UART underscore set underscore pin. Pass the argument UART underscore num underscore 0 comma, this is TX pin is 1 and RX pin is 3, and comma UART pin no change. Say UART underscore pin underscore no change, and last one is also UART underscore pin no change. Enter. And now configure a temporary buffer for incoming data. Configure int it will be dynamically allocated. So int malloc with size buffer size infinite loop while 1. Now it will continuously reading from the serial port UART number 1 on 1 and 3 pins. So const int length is equal to UART underscore read bytes and passing the parameter UART underscore number 0 comma data which will store, and third is buffer size. And now 100 is delay. Second, and check if any data is incoming if length is greater than 0. If any data is incoming from serial port, it will check, and data length is equal to 0. And now write on word underscore write bytes UART on which UART port number, so UART num0, and next argument is const character pointer data, it will data print on this number. And now I want to print on my monitor on which receive the data. So data percent s slash n and const character pointer data, and this is also third argument is length. Now this data will print on my serial monitor and now I want to print this data on my 16x2 LCD. So I am going to call a function my LCD underscore command, which will print the data on first line at first position 0x80. It will okay, and this is a function LCD underscore string. LCD underscore string. Now const character pointer data, and I want to provide a delay, so we task delay for 10 seconds 1 0 2. And now when after 10 seconds I want to clear my LCD screen, so LCD underscore command, it will clear the screen of my LCD 0x01. It is a command, and now I am going to free the data which is received. So it is a function which will free the buffer data which is received. Now creating the main function void f underscore main void, and calling the initialization LCD. So initialize LCD, LCD underscore init function call, and now x task create UART underscore task, and single string UART underscore task running, and argument 1024 into 2, and null, and config underscore config max underscore priorities, and null. Okay, it is completed almost. Now save it and build this function. Go to here, and you can see here this is build this function. I hope no error. It will take some time, so you can wait. You can see here this is a error. So now it is not UART underscore config, it is UART underscore config underscore t. Okay, UART underscore config underscore t. UART underscore config. It is a type, a structure type. Now error is removed. You can see here viewed successfully. Now select your port number here from here. It is my connected ESP32 from my COM5. Port is selected. Now I'm going to flash. So this is connecting, and now I'm pressing boot button because it is some error. Now you can see this is writing the, oh, this some. Now flash is done. Now you can see uh, our here. This is now I'm going to open my serial monitor here, and you can also see on my 16x2 LCD. Okay, I'm going to enter some data. Okay, I'm going to enter some data on just end. Okay, now you can see here I am entering some hello, and it will print on my screen hello. You can see here this is hello is printed, and hello is already on printed on a screen, and it will after 10 seconds it will remove or clear a screen. Now I am printed hello JCB or O. Now I am printing Shitendra. Okay, this is printed on my serial monitor, and it is also printed on my